Hey folks, welcome back. Well, I have decided, since like so many of you, I am cooped up in my home right now, that I'd record a new video. I might be able to do several over the next coming weeks. Well, hell, if we're going to be in our homes for the next 45 days or so, there might be a whole lot of videos. Who knows? Here in California, our governor ordered us to stay home yesterday, so I'll be doing that, as I'm sure any of you other Californians and probably most of my fellow Americans will be doing. So, yesterday, I shaped and sandblasted this pipe. I thought for the rest of today I could take you through all the steps that I'd go through to finish this pipe, figure out what kind of embellishment I'm going to put on it, and, make the mouthpiece for it. So without further ado, let's get to finishing this pipe. Remember, stay home, be safe, wash your hands, and don't touch your face. Well, I didn't quite make it as far today as I expected to. Like I said, I had kids running in and out of the shop and they needed to be played with, so what are you gonna do? But what I did do is I was able to finish up the ring on this pipe. I'll go ahead and post this video with the ring being made, and the next video will be the mouthpiece. That way you can have a two-parter instead of one. I get it up sooner than later. Well, I've got to run in the house, be a dad, and play with my kids. And I hope you all stay safe just like we are. Stay home, don't touch your face, and wash those hands. Talk to you soon. Thanks for tuning in.